Hi, I'm Chef Steve Rose, host of The Organic Rose, and I'm going to talk to you today about one of my just amazing new pieces of equipment. It's a Bertazzoni electric cooking range. I used to believe in cooking with natural gas, but this is so refined, so precise. I'll go ahead and put a whole chicken in the oven, roast it for an hour or so, and then turn on the convection broil and let the chicken get some very nice color, and it gets nice hues of tans and browns and amazing. I put it down to a simmer if I'm simmering like a pot of soup, and it'll just go like bloop, 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 just really slow and steady, and you can cook it all day long. And the product that you get when you're done with it is out of this world. It's just an amazing piece of equipment. It's produced and designed in Italy, and the company is Bertazzoni. And I got this from my friend Mike at TVAX Appliance in Santa Rosa, California. And they're a neat, just a small family-owned appliance company, and they give you that personal service that you used to get 50 years ago that you no longer get. They give it to you. All I can say is get one. You need to have one because they're amazing. Bertazzoni, produced in Italy, designed in Italy, sold in the United States.